Hi, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People. And today I like to just wish everyone well and hope everybody's doing good. As we approach the holiday season, I have one of my favorites, one of the family favorites, is how I my spin pretty much on radishes. And it's a great side dish and it is delicious. Okay, and these are the ingredients that you need. This is all you need to add to your radishes. And this is a chicken bouillon. You just use 1 cube and about a teaspoon of ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And with the olive oil, you'll just add that in with your 2 cloves of chopped garlic into your skillet, and you just cook it for just a few. When you start smelling it, then it's time to add your radishes. And the radishes are washed. I know you see them in the store like this. Okay, when I bring them home, they're going to be washed and peeled real good around the edges. And then I want to dice them, cut the little tails off at the end and dice it like that. That way your seasoning will get off into your radish. And you do not cut the greenery off. You cook it with the greenery on it. This is where all your vitamins are, so you don't want to cut that off. It's real tasty, and it makes a beautiful holiday side. Okay, once I've washed, I got 2 batches of radishes. And once I washed them and cut them and cleaned them real good, I stuck them in the skillet with my uh, garlic and olive oil. Once I put them in there, put them in the skillet, then I add about 2 cups of water or chicken broth, whatever you want to use, and then you add your other seasonings, your chicken bouillon cube, and your black pepper to your radishes. And then you just put the top on them and let them cook slow for about 45 minutes. And at least till your radishes are nice and soft with a touch of a fork. So I'll be back when they're done. In between the 45 minutes cooking, you can come back and just kind of stir them up a little bit. See how that's cooking? Beautiful, beautiful. And if it's not salty enough to your taste, then you can add a little of kosher salt to it. But this is how it looks as it's cooking. And I just want to stir it up a little. And then I might have missed saying to turn them on low, between medium and low, and just let them cook slow with the top on them. And while this is cooking, you can be preparing your meat to go along with it if that's what you want. But I'll be back when I get ready to plate it. Okay, here's my radishes. 45 minutes cooking on slow heat, and they are fantastic. And as you can see, they turn a little pink when they're done. And see the crisscross inside? That means the seasoning has cooked in there. And your greenery, you just cut it up and eat it. And it is fantastic. It's a quick side dish and it's very healthy for you. So try adding this to your Thanksgiving meal or your Christmas meal. Or like us, we just eat it whenever we can find some pretty good radishes with their leafy tops. But like I said, do not cut those leafy tops off because that's where your flavor is. And try this recipe. And if you like it, let me know. because it is a favorite. I promise you that once you fix it, you'll want to fix it every time, at least once a week, because it is very good for you. So, like I said, be sure to subscribe and comment and share this recipe with some of your friends and see what you think. And as always, love, love, and I'll see you next time.